just tries to steal my car. Well, this is hello. We are doing Clash Production with Dolly Clash Production, episode 3. Thomas the train.
Now look out, there's a baby down. Oh. You alright, baby?
Baby.
Come here. Get out from under there.
Emma was pulling Thomas. She was going to fall off the table
Come out of
and
there.
hurt herself. These are what Thomas just some flight cars
Look out.
from the mine.
Don't let the crash happen until she's out of the way. Okay.
There's a key fell off the table.
No, not frontwards. There you go.
And then this car, this old car was going to a truck. This old she was flying. He flew himself backwards. Then on our train, and everybody else wanted to do that too. Fly myself backwards. And then he just flew himself on the chair. Oh, let me go pick up the flag. And then everybody else, hey, and then your chef was hard to wake up. Let me beep, 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 beep. When the cowboy comes in.
Is that it?
What?
Alright, the end.
No, it's not the end.
Oh, it's not the end.